White Light Black Light is a performative art fashion piece by Laura Dempsey and Hannah Newton. Debuted at MakeFashion in 2015, the garment uses photoluminescence, or glow-in-the-dark, technology to create an innovative combination of technology, tradition, and storytelling. The project includes 2 dresses. The White Light dress has embroidered glow-in-the-dark beads and thread. The dress appears ordinary until light exposure reveals its high-tech properties. This is where the Black Light dress comes in. The Black Light garment contains a light-pulsing vest and UV light gloves. On the runway, the Black Light dancer uses her gloves to illuminate and reveal the magic of the White Light dress. The more the dancers interact, the more they glow. Laura Dempsey is a senior MakeFashion designer who has showcased with us on the runway since our very first gala. Follow my channel for more showcases of MakeFashion designers, wearable technology, and DIY how-tos.